Hello everybody and welcome to the second video in the developer journal update log for the July 2022 update. So today we're going to continue looking at some of the interface and a new feature that people have been requesting for a very long time. First, let's start with the backpack. It's very similar to how it used to be, except items now stack in them. As you can see, this allows us to have smaller inventory, so it should run faster. And you can see all the items here. You can now sort by different categories in an easier way. And it is very simple to equip and unequip. You can even right click them, and you can search for items by their names. Our new toolbar runs better than ever before. And it's very simple. There's new animations now for eating and using items. Wands have a cool animation. Eating now is a little better. You still have to use your hands as an uncivilized Robloxian would. Next, we'll look at the shop. As you can see, the shop is more organized and clean looking and has the ability to insert promo codes to unlock special items that we give on social media or in our Discord server. Each of these categories is separated just like it currently is, but again, cleaner interface. And Express Pass is now displayed in the shop. Ride photos have been updated to load faster and allow you to sort them based on photo type. In the future, we may add different types of photos, so that's why this is here. You might ask, why is there a search bar? Because now when you click on a photo, you can actually give each photo a nickname. So, my first ride. And then when you close it, it saves it. And then if you wanted to search for first ride, you can see it's right here. So ride photos work better. You can go and you can remove names. You can delete photos. And it all works perfectly with the new interface. With this, we've also fixed accessories and faces not working correctly on characters, so everything should be working with ride photos again. Next, we'll talk about the trading system. It's almost exactly the same as it was before, except it works better and looks better. So I can select the items I want from the user. I'm going to give this to the user. Send the trade. This is a free trade because I own the VIP Club U Game Pass. And I have successfully traded. So I can cancel a request if I want, or I can wait for the user to answer the trade. And then if they decline it, I got a decline message. And I can also wait for the user to send me a trade. I received a trade and you can see the badge ping shows up. I can click here, view request. I sent the same exact thing. I'm going to accept it. It's free because I own the Game Pass. The trade is complete. You can look at your history, it's finished, and I can look at my inventory and there it is. I have the new item. Now we're at the big feature I was talking about, and that is the new party system. From here, when you first open the page, you're shown a list of users. First are your friends. They're sorted by the people who are actually in the game and people who are online Roblox. And then below your friends are people in your server. Obviously there's no one else in here so you can't see anyone, but that's how this list works. When you go to invite the first person, it'll create your own party and make you the party leader. From there, if the user accepts your invite, you'll get a notification on your screen and they'll join your party. I can set them as leader, I can kick them, or I can change options down here. The first option is the follow party leader option, which allows me to determine if the game should check if the leader should be followed by the other players. Meaning, if I switch servers, should the other players also switch to my same server? So that's what this option determines. The next option is anyone can join. This is a setting that allows people in your server to just join your party if they want to. So if you don't want random people joining your party, you can turn it off. And then finally, allow party invites allows you to change the ability of other party members to send invites. So if you don't want other people to send invites and invite other people, you can turn it off. So now I'm going to show you how the following party leader actually works. So I'm going to set this user to pale guest to the party leader. So there you go, now they're the leader. So we'll watch this person go into a different server and then I'll show you how it works. So as you can see, we got a notification that the party leader switched locations, and we can press yes to go or no to ignore it. So I'm gonna press yes. We were put right in the same place as the party leader. If you don't want to be notified about joining the leader and you just want it to happen automatically, you can go to other and press auto join party leader. You can turn this on, and then when this person switches servers, it'll automatically teleport us as they are teleporting. So if I see this user go into a teleport, we are instantly put in a teleport with them. As you can see, I have now made it and we're here. The next thing I want to talk about are the item refunds. Because we are trying to get away from intellectual property that we don't have licensing to, some items we have to remove because there's no way for us to replace these without using intellectual property. So when you first join the game after this update's made, you will get a list of all the items you had in your inventory that have been removed, and how much they are worth and the total refund you've gotten. Also, if you still have HHN Vault time when this update releases, you will get an option to get a refund for whatever time you have left. We're giving a refund because this game update will not include the vault in it. Each user who still has time will see how much time they have left and how much the refund is worth, either in Unibucks, or they can save the time for when the vault reopens in the future. So you select the option and press confirm selection. Alright, well that sums up the rest of this developer journal. Make sure you come back next week because we're going to go through my favorite feature, and that has also been highly requested. I kept it for the best for last, obviously. And then also make sure to wait until the very end of the third video. We'll be announcing one of the upcoming attractions that has not been announced yet. Thanks again, everybody, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next week.